All right, good morning. It has been a while since we've been back here at this project, and by that I mean myself. We have had Mario working away on it. We're at the finishing stages here, just getting ready to do the interlock here on the driveway. So we've got where the asphalt is a nice clean cut, because we're just going to be blending in the interlock to that and squared it off over there as well. They have already built retaining walls over there on the house, steps. We've got some landscaping done. We've cleaned up all the gardens in the front, cleaned up this tree. We've planted trees since then, mulched around them, got the grading mostly done, just missing some sod now. Same thing on this side as well. We've done this kind of kidney shaped garden over here, or this bean shaped garden over here, and some cedars in the back there again around that big tree. We've mulched around this area, got topsoil down, raked it out. It's just a matter of finishing up now the interlocking here into the back. You can see the garden here, got a little box built, a little retaining wall boxed in. The steps here, and the whole pathway to the front. Got little walls, little pillars built up. Already got some decorative pumpkins here. And Mario and Manel trying to figure something out here. Morning.
Morning. Good afternoon, I think.
Is it almost? And Nelson there. So yeah, we've been working on this kind of throughout, started probably around middle of the summer. Now we're obviously into October here, and got the Halloween decorations, as you can see. It's sort of a job we're doing more so when we have time, and like for example today's a holiday, so we're not working on the site, we're taking advantage and working here, or it'd be like Saturdays and that kind of thing. So it's just been a slow going site here. Got all these cedars that we've transplanted as well. All of these cedars used to be the ones boxing in that spot there around that addition part, back when it looked like this, and also this tree in the back was there to be removed still. And we'll be installing a patio in the rear here as well, but obviously we're going to start in the front, work our way around, and finish off here. Working on our borders here. That's what we're doing here. The brick that's going to be going in here is actually a different thickness, so we're grading, doing all our border, and the way, I mean, we're just kind of making it up, but the pattern we chose to go is the long way, this going this way across with one down vertical, and that's going to basically go around the whole perimeter. Now in this little section here by the door, we're going to continue with the same type of brick that we had a little left over, just to continue the same brick of the pathway that goes up to the front main door entrance. And then the rest of the driveway is going to be a different style brick. So we're going to do this part first.
Agora não matei primeiro que isso deve ser tudo igual.
Pois, é mais ou menos a mesma coisa.
Mete aquela distância
e deixa de meio centímetro de diferença ou centímetro, pronto, passou.
Porque tu a ver tudo olhar para mim.
Drama.
Alright, and here you can see where we left off the other day. We got up to about this point here. So we got pretty much the whole front driveway section done. This is actually the following day, and 3 people that were here the day before, like Jason, Mario, and Nelson, and then Jordan joined them. Today they worked on this section here and got from basically the front of the house to the back of the house along the side lane here, and that's as much as we were going to do this year. Just trying to finish up this area so we can complete the driveway here before it gets too late in the season. Alrighty, so didn't have a chance to actually come back here myself to be a part of the final here on the interlock, finishing up of the interlock here, but this is the interlock done. And for now, so this is now done, interlock done. We've got this all sodded. As you can see, it's been sodded a few days ago. We've got the leaves already fallen all over it, but we got this nice little berm mulched up, everything landscaped. This is what it used to look like before we removed some trees, added new ones, and re-landscaped and re-sodded this side of the driveway. This is all complete, finished, and the other side of the house is nice and sodded as well. Basically, the front of the house is complete. You can see our little cut here blend in with the asphalt, and then again all sodded here in the front. And yeah, it's got a few little islands of trees with some mulch. Everything all nice and done. Big transformation here from what this was at the start of the summer here. To now. Got all these cedars transplanted to here, sodded, little walkway of slabs, nice box for the garden, walkway, steps, and everything's complete now. So if you guys enjoyed watching this process and found any information helpful here, or just in general enjoyed watching it, please remember to give the video a like. Definitely keeps us motivated to take the time to film processes like this. I know this is a little bit of a different type of video for me, this whole series of the house renovation. Again, it's not really our specialty. It's not something we do on the regular, but again, it's just sort of a personal project, and it was a little bit of a side project we were doing throughout the summer and fall months, as I've explained throughout this series. So if anyone out there does things a different way, or by all means, we're not perfect and always open to hearing how you guys do things, and anywhere we can do something different or better. So if there's any tips or tricks, feel free to leave comments. I'd love to hear them. And yeah, again, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And as always, thank you for watching.